sequence. Hay was baled yesterday. I believe it was about 57 big round bales. So this morning I'm moving those. I do this on a share basis. I take 2/3, the owner gets 1/3, and I put their share in the barn. And I must confess, with the drought conditions that spread across this country, including here in southern Indiana, I'm going to buy all of his share this year, which I've never done before, but I want to make sure I have plenty of hay. So I will let you see this sequence as it happens. I'll haul 2 bales at a time. I put one on the back of the tractor, one on the front, and put those in the barn. In case you're wondering, it's just a pretty boring process to move hay. The hay that I put in his barn, the rest of it I haul home, which is about a 2.5 mile trip, and I can haul 8 bales at a time on my bale trailer. Well, I've got the owner's share up in the barn, and I've got my share grouped up into groups of 8. So the next step is getting the bale trailer and getting those bales hauled home. So that's just a little over 4 trips, and I'll get those done today. And on Father's Day, I will be able to say that I've got quite a bit done, and we'll see how the rest of the morning goes. this is how quick the unloading process is with this Easy Haul trailer. Well, thanks everyone for watching this episode of my videos at Fescue Farms. Again, we do appreciate everybody that watches those. And again, we ask that you like and share so that we can build up that channel. In closing, I also want to say that, you know, my birthday was the 11th, and then Father's Day, and my daughter went absolutely overboard, and I posted this on my Facebook account that I was a little humbled and embarrassed, but very appreciative of what she did. And I'm just going to turn the camera around and show you. This is what she got me for my birthday and Father's Day. It's a Stihl MS-180C chainsaw, and she did say that this was a old man saw. And it was an old man saw because it has the easy start version, and it was much appreciated. But thanks to my daughter that she did go overboard for that. So thank you for watching, everyone.